Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making some Father's Day glasses. Today we're going to be making these super cool dad glasses. The materials you'll need are a glue stick, some markers, a pencil, a piece of cardstock, and some scissors. First, you're going to take your piece of cardstock and you're going to trace the design you want your glasses to be. So first you're going to do the edges. Then you're going to draw Dad. You're going to write Dad. I'm going to make sure you have a little bit of a... So you're going to make a little tab, and then you're going to draw a D. And both the D's in Dad are going to be the eye holes, and then the A is going to be very skinny, and it's just going to be in the middle on the nose. Gonna go like that. Make sure you draw them big enough where you can fit eyes in them. Then you're going to draw an A the same height, really skinny. And then you're going to draw another D right next to that A. Like that. Then you're going to either color this in, you can do a design on it. Let's see, I'm going to take blue and I'm going to do the first D. A trick I use to get the middle cut out is I gently fold whatever I'm going to cut. I don't want to fold it where it makes a crease, just like that. And then I snip the middle right there, like that. So then I can stick my scissors in and then cut outwards. And then I'll just cut around where I want to cut. Now that I've finished cutting this out, we're going to set that aside and cut out these. Now that I cut these out, I'm going to write on them, but you can color them like we did the glasses front, or you can write something on them. On one of them, I wrote, "I love you," and it's kind of hard to see in the light, but, and then on the next one, I'm going to write, "From Virginia." Like that. And then what you're gonna do is use the flaps that you've put on here, and you're going to just fold them backwards like that. Now you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to glue these flaps. So the part that's colored, you're going to put glue on them. And any glue works, but I'm using glue stick. And then you're going to take one of these and stick that on. And you're going to do the same with the other side. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!